Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna cook jerk chicken. It's a simple recipe, anyone can do it. So we're gonna start making a marinade sauce to marinate the chicken, and after that we're gonna cook it in the oven. So for this recipe, we're gonna need chicken legs, garlic, lime, Scotch bonnet chilies, ginger, brown sugar, tomatoes, honey, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, olive oil. We got some spring onion, parsley, coriander, and thyme. We're gonna peel the garlic. Let's slice the garlic now. Some ginger. Now the Scotch bonnet chili. Gonna take the seed out. Parsley, some parsley. Coriander. And tomatoes. Gonna slide them like that, only in four. Now we need to do the marinade sauce. You can do it in a blender or you can do it manually. It's up to you. Salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Gonna put some thyme. Honey. Just a little bit. We need some cinnamon. It's up to you how much cinnamon you want. soy sauce, like 1 tablespoon. Apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. And olive oil, just a little bit. Now, all what we need is to marinate the chicken. Be sure you marinate all the chicken. This smells delicious. And you can leave it for like 3 hours, even more. Maybe 24 hours will be the best. Chicken is done. We're gonna leave it for like 3 hours in the fridge and see you later. So it's been 3 hours. Let's get the chicken from the fridge and let's cook it. Some aluminum foil. Let's put the chicken. So cold. There you go. We're gonna cover the chicken with the foil and like that. And we're gonna put it in the oven for like 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. This is a corn flour. And for like 20, 30 years ago, the poor people from my country, I come from Romania, poor people from my country, they cannot afford to buy bread, and they grow up some corn at the backyard and do some cornbread. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So we're gonna need a saucepan because we need to boil the corn flour. Actually, we're gonna make cornbread. Cornbread, it's more healthy than the bread. Okay, let's wait for the water to boil. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt, like that. And the corn flour. And we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna put just a little. It needs to be mixed continuously. And now we need to let it cool down the cornbread. Let's check the chicken. See how it looks like. Take the foil out. Oh, look at this. Smells so good. Gonna put some sauce. Like that. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes. So now my chicken is ready. Let's have a look. Wow, look at this. They look so nice. All we need is some lime. Squish it over the chicken. We're gonna put it in a plate. Okay. And we're gonna put some cornbread. Let me flip it over. 3 slices of bread, of cornbread, and we're gonna put some sauce. And chicken is ready. Let's taste it. Oh, wow. Delicious. So, bon appetit. This is absolutely delicious. Jerk chicken and cornbread, absolutely delicious. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one.